Okay, hi. Today I would like to show you guys how to collect water sample by using hand method. So first thing first, all you need to do is by rinse the bottle and also the cup 3 times before we take the water sample. And next the bottle. Okay, then we can collect the water sample. So what we need to do is first we submerge the bottle in the water body and make sure our bottle did not reach the bottom of the river to avoid sedimentation from flowing into our water bottles. Make sure there's no bubble, and then when you're done, cap the bottle. So this is our water sample. Easy. Okay. Hi. Next, I will show you guys how to collect the water sample using vendor sampler. So at here, I have vendor sampler. So as you can see, this is vendor sampler which we will use to collect the water sample. So the first step, you need to rinse the vendor sampler 3 times before we collect the water sample. And then after you rinse it, next what we need to do is by open up this cap using by pulling the trigger. Okay, so this is how vendor sampler looks like after we pull the cap and put the safety pin at here. So when the vendor sampler is ready, we need to submerge this vendor sampler into the water, into the river slowly. Already submerged the vendor sampler. After that, all we need to do is by let the messenger go to close the cap. And then we are done. And then we pull it up slowly again. And this is how vendor sampler looks like after we already collect the water sample. And next, the next step is to transfer this water into the water. So what we need to do is first step, ask your friend to assist you. So I have Anand here to assist me. So what you need to do is open the valve and make sure the cap, this valve and the cap do not touch each other to avoid the cross contamination from occur. So I'm gonna open it for her, this side and the other side. Don't forget to open this box too. So as you can see, the water are transferred into water bottle. When you're done, close the box. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
So we will move to the water sampling method, which is post sampling. Remember to rinse the glass of post sampler 3 times before collect the water sample. Okay, so we need to submerge the post sampling into the river and then pull the elastic band the trigger of the lid to allow water flows into the glass bottle, and then make sure the glass bottle did not reach the bottom of the river to avoid some sedimentation flow into it. And then slowly raise the post sampler once the water fills the glass. Make sure there is no bubble in the water sample. Soil sampling using auger. First one, ensure the auger is clean to avoid contamination of the sample. Position the auger vertically and apply downward pressure while turning it clockwise. This action will help the auger penetrate the soil. Then continue until the auger reaches the desired depth, and then carefully withdraw the auger from the soil. Ambient air sampling. Set up the tripod stand for mini volt and then make sure the stand sturdy and then locate it on flat and stable ground surface. Hi, separate the cassette with cassette separator and then using clean tweezer, carefully handle the filter to avoid contamination. And then insert the filter into the filter holder. Make sure it is properly seated and secure. And then place the filter holder into the sampler unit. Make sure it is aligned. And then, by using cotton bud, apply a thin layer of grease to the sealing surface of a filter to make sure it is properly sealed. Then, assemble all the components of mini valve. Install the mini valve on the top of the mini valve stand. Extend the inlet tube into the 30 cm height, and then attach the assembly to the top of the mini valve inlet tube. And then install the lithium battery in the mini valve. Make sure it's aligned with the charging port, and make sure the battery is full. And then press the on button to start calibrate the flow rate to recommended setting, which is 5 liters per minute.